In this video I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok region. So first way is to open up your TikTok, go to your profile, then on the top right click on the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy, and from there you want to click on language and make sure that everything is set to English, because that way TikTok is going to see, okay, they want everything to be in English, I will show them English content. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you have actually changed your region. So the best way I found out to actually change your region is to do these three things combined. First, you need to get a VPN like Surfshark, NordVPN or whatever. Then get a new iPhone. It can be any iPhone that supports TikTok, so like iPhone 6. Set up that iPhone as it's in America, so create a fake email, fake username, make the region USA and etc. And then go to eBay and buy US SIM card. And once you have all of that, you have a phone, a SIM card and VPN. You insert the SIM card in the phone, you open up the VPN, and before you connect to the TikTok, make sure that the VPN is connected. And that way you can change your region. Now, if you don't want to buy another phone, you can potentially just buy a new SIM card and put it in your current one with the VPN, or just use VPN, but those methods sometimes work and sometimes they don't. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.